Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are at Big Bear, California, and we just got here about an hour ago. Work night set up our tent. I am here with, hold on, let me move the camera.
TikTok.
This is my Uncle Jude.
Hello, hi.
He's cooking some rice already, guys.
Yes, we're here now. Big Bear Pineknot.
Yes, this is the Pineknot Campground.
Campground.
And here is my Auntie Vivian.
Hello.
And, well, everybody else went out somewhere. I don't know where. They kind of just jetted out. But it's cool. Alright. So we are going to be here in Big Bear, California for the next 2 days. 2 full days. Oh. So we are going to be here in Big Bear, California for the next 2 days. We are here till the 14th and we're going to do some hiking tomorrow, so it's going to be some fun stuff. Here, we just set up our tents real quick. This is our setup. This is Georgia. Hi, Georgia.
Hey.
All right, so the rest of the cool kids just came back from getting firewood.
Food, Georgia.
Cool kids, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about you three over here to my right.
Cool kids.
The cool kids are back.
Yep. There's firewood, so there'll be fire.
And
Yeah, it's gonna be lit.
you heard him.
Heard it right here.
Oh, I'm just working through.
I think we're all just really chill right now because it's hard to breathe out here.
It's hard to breathe.
Hard to breathe.
Airbed.
Where's the beer?
Looks like this nice airbed is going into the luxury tent right here. The huge tent that fits 10 people supposedly.
Hotel at Vincula.
It is. Alright guys, so our mattress is much thinner than this. And I literally just blew it up inside the tent. So there we go. Queen mattress.
Like you had made that with Octane on?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, now I don't have to make.
You guys don't have to. You don't have to worry about it, guys.
I didn't.
Here's our
like,
chili cooking.
Dragonfly goes right into it. Starts swimming around. Audrey saved it with a stick and set it free. But I dumped that water out and here I am. All right. Fish body. Oh.
So we just got into our tents because I am freezing cold and I just want to stay warm. We were around the fire and it was nice to feel the fire for a bit, but you know, the fire slowly goes smaller and smaller until it goes out. And I still have my headache, so I just kind of just want to chill with some warm blankets and my sleeping bag and my comfy jammies. So yeah, we're calling it a night around
10 o'clock.
10 something ish, and hopefully I get some good sleep and my headache's gone in the morning so that I can enjoy tomorrow 100%. Good morning, everybody. It is 8:16 a.m. and work night and I and some of my relatives are headed over to Big Bear Lake to walk around the lake as much as we can. The goal is 17.4 miles, which is the whole lake, but I highly doubt we're gonna do 17.4 miles because I know 1, 2, or maybe all of us are gonna get hungry and we're gonna want to turn around and eat. So yep, Alright guys, this is our route to the lake. I know it's kind of weird seeing that we are in the midst of some traffic, but there is no exact path that goes around the whole lake, so we have to make our own path here. Starbucks looking really good right now. Alright guys, it looks like we finally made it to a portion of the lake. Just a portion, but at least we made it to the lake. Let's go check out that view. Cute. My sunglasses wanted to fall off my face while I was climbing. There goes the leaders off around the other side of the lake. Hey guys, just trying to open up some dried chili mango for me and the relatives. They sealed this really tight. I got this from Sprouts, and then they pre-package it because, you know, COVID. They pretty much give you about a pound worth, so you don't have a choice of going half a pound. Too bad. You gotta get a pounder and stuff. Now we gotta catch up with the rest of them. I gotta put my mask back on.
You're gonna eat that with your mask on.
Well, I have to put it on because they're about to pass you strangers.
Trash.
Abandoned sandals. I'd love to stay one of those and then take the boat out.
Time for some chili lime with dried mango.
Give the other half something to do if you don't like it.
Is it good?
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
It's just alright.
Want some chili dried mangoes?
What do you think?
Yeah, let's go. It's a spot. One of my favorite snacks to snack on. What?
Sure. I need to wash my hands first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright guys, looks like we're pit stopping here to take some photos. So yeah, I'm gonna take a selfie in a bit. Check this out.
Okay.
The photographer here. Can always count on there being photos with my Uncle June.
Hey.
Family photographer has called us over to the edge of this, probably for more photos. Ganda yan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I did that February.
So our proposed plan to do 17.4 miles around the lake did not happen, of course. Now we're headed back to our campsite so that we can cook up our lunch, guys. Okay, so we made it back to our campground, and our total miles was about 7.5. So I'm pretty happy about that. Definitely got my 10K in already before noon. And I'm about to enjoy some Wild Tonic Refreshing Premium Hard Gel. Looking hella good. Check this out. It's a cute bottle, is it not? I'm super excited to give it a shot. Cheers, guys! Yes! What are we making?
Korean short ribs. Alright, does that look done enough for you?
Time for you to eat, babe. Alright, everybody, it is 3:20 p.m. and we are about to start the Pineknot Trail hike. Grand View Point is in 3.25 miles. Alright, ready.
This one, no? Something happened here people million years ago.
Million years ago. Probably.
Yes. Just flooding, you know.
Flooding happened to make it look like this, says my Uncle June. Flooding, what did you say? A million years ago?
Yeah.
A million years ago, guys. A million years ago. So on the menu for today's dinner, we are eating yellowtail fish. We got some bacon to fry and potatoes, and we still have some egg bites that we can throw in there if needed. So should be a good dinner. And lots of booze. Heck yes. What's up? It's feeling right now.
Good.
We've done about a mile, so we got 2 more miles. You think you can make it?
Yeah.
I told Uncle June 2 miles and then go back another 2 miles.
Yeah.
Perfect. So it is about 4:56 p.m. and we've hiked about 2 miles into this trail. That took us about an hour and a half-ish, and so to get back it'll probably be 6.5-ish. As much as we wanted to reach at the top, I'd rather just everybody be comfortable with doing as much as they can, and the fact that we have to make our way back, it's like, well, we might as well just head back now, you know? And the sun's probably gonna go down in about 2 hours, so don't want to cut it too close. This trail still has been a good experience. It's very scenic, and I am glad that I chose to do this rather than go off-roading. So once we got back to camp, we went straight to cooking, cleaning, and then drinking by the fireside. So I didn't get around to filming that night. But it was no different than the first night, so didn't miss out, guys. Anyways, if you enjoyed, please be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you later.